Welcome to For Trade Learning channel. My name is Teresa and today I'll be showing you how to use the FT300 ultrasound machine. The FT300 ultrasound machine is a portable machine. You can carry it from one practice to the other. So now this is the plug. So before we can start with anything, we're going to first connect the plug to the ultrasound machine. Okay, let's. Yeah. So you need to make sure that it's in and it's tight. It mustn't be loose. Okay, now we'll turn on the machine. Okay, to turn on the machine, there's a button. There's a button at the back. Yes, you click. Okay, it's on. So today I'll be showing you how to do the exams. So today we'll be doing the OB exams. And to do the OB exams, we'll be using this OB to do the OB exams. But before we start with the exams, we need an image. We need to take the image. So today I'll be using my hand because we don't have any pregnant women. You can see there's the image. Then you're going to press the freeze button to freeze the image so that we can do the measurement. Yes, okay. Since today we'll be doing the OB measurement, the OB exams, we'll press here on OB. Yes. Then it takes you to the BPD. Yeah. Then you go here. You press enter so that you can start with the exam. Then you measure, then you press enter again. Then if you can see here, it tells you the GA. It also tells you the estimated date of delivery. Okay, then if you want to do the second exam, you still press the OB button so that it can take you to the other exam, the CRL. Then you go on the screen, you press enter, then you measure, and you press enter. Here, if you check here down, it gives you the result. Okay, yes. So now if you want to print out the report, if you want to view the report, you click here by R to view. Yeah, then it gives you the report. Oh, thank you very much. Please don't forget to like the page. Bye.